Diane and Denmark here, rah, 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 and it is week 3 of our 2026 reset. This is day number 12, and I'll get straight into it with your tiny task. It's not because I don't think you're capable of thinking this stuff, but I've done the thinking for you because that's what helped me when I was disorganized, overwhelmed with the house, with life. And I'm just telling you what to do every day, just a little tiny task for a better life. So if you're ready to accept today's mission, we're going to do a quick reset of your bathroom. Now listen here, I know some of you have got 20 different bathrooms. One bathroom, okay? Are we clear on that? One bathroom. And all I want you to do is just spend a few minutes. If you're the type that goes overboard, I find it always helpful to set a timer for 10-15 minutes. And we're going to do a quick refresh of that bathroom. Wipe down the surfaces, maybe shine the mirror, you know, if there's some kind of toothpaste marks there. Just very small things that make a big visual difference. If you've got the energy to do it, change over the towels, maybe change over the bath mat or put the shower curtain in the wash. Just a few simple things, okay? We're not redoing that whole bathroom. And if you've been doing the Fly Lady system with me for a long time and you're already okay with that, then today for the bathroom, you can be doing a little decluttering there, you know, pull out something, you know, from one drawer. Have you got makeup that you're never going to use again? Do you need to wash your makeup brushes, toiletries that you never use, old shampoo bottles? Let's get them out of there. And as always, you're very welcome to leave a comment. Let me know how you're getting on with the series. I know lots of you are really enjoying these small tasks, but the main thing is you just spend 5 or 10 minutes resetting that one bathroom. Remember I said one bathroom, not all the bathrooms. And meet me back here for day, well, gosh, we'll be on to day 13. Anyway, and I'm going to send you off on your merry way. I'm going to shake my pom-poms for you because I am cheering you on every step of the way. All right? So meet me back here tomorrow with a rah, rah, rah.